Looking to flirt with your crush when they playfully tell you to shut up? There are a variety of sassy comebacks to spice up your conversations over text or in person. From playful teasing to flirty questions, there are some surefire responses to shut up that will keep things interesting and make your crush blush. Classic responses like, "make me," and "or what?" crank up the heat and turn the conversation back to your crush to make the next move. By engaging in witty banter, you can show your interest subtly, or you can avoid being too obvious by getting silly with your response and simply say, "nuh-uh," or finish their shut up with, "and dance with me." Take your relationship to the next level by being bold and giving responses like, "Are you going to do it for me?" or "I'll shut up if you kiss me." Whether you want to provoke your crush playfully or maintain a fun and flirty exchange, these responses are guaranteed to keep the conversation exciting and lighthearted.